What we're looking at today is using the properties of congruent figures to find the values of x and y. And so when we look at our diagram, we notice that we have our congruent statement here that tells us certain things about these two figures. NPLM is congruent to EFGH. And so what that means is when we're looking for our x and we have 2x minus 3, we need to find what side in NPLM is congruent to GH. Well, GH is the last two letters. And so to figure out what part of NPLM that's equal to or congruent to, we look at the last two letters. Well, if LM is the same as GH, then we can say 2x minus 3 is equal to 8. So when we solve for x, we end up with 2x is equal to 11, divided by 2. So x is equal to 5.5. And so x is 5.5. We use the same logic when we're dealing with the angles, and so our y, 7y plus 9, should be equal to something. Well, 7y plus 9 is a value that's associated with angle E. And so if we look at where angle E is located, it's the first letter in our congruent statement. And so to find out what it's congruent to, we look to the first letter in the other half of our congruent statement. So that's angle N. And so 7y plus 9 is equal to 72. Then it's a simple algebra problem. We subtract 9 from both sides. We end up with 7y is equal to 63. Divide by 7. And we end up with y equal to 9.